Hey guys, so it's about an hour to showtime. We are here in Moab. We didn't free fly today because we do have the show, but it is beautiful out. Hopefully everyone else had a great day flying. Yeah, but we didn't get to go today. So we've just been in theater all day, and I'm bringing in the Macaws, and then we're gonna stay backstage until the show starts. So they asked me what room I wanted to put the birds in, and I chose this one because of the floor. I figured they probably really wouldn't care if we accidentally got poop on it. I lay out newspaper, but you never know. Sometimes birds can shoot their poop further, so I avoid carpets. Guys, what you think? Looks a little different than the Bing. Jinxie. Oops. Yeah. You guys ready for a show? I'm actually shocked they aren't cooped out by this guy.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the theater for tonight's showtime. Comes up to me and says, little daughter says, "Daddy." I said, "Yeah."
Can you pop this balloon and see if there's a dove inside of it? So tonight, making that dream a reality, please welcome to the stage my beautiful daughter, Capri! Did you check to see if this one has a dove? You checked? You think we'll be alright? We're gonna give it a quick shot right here. I'll tell you what, this balloon's gonna get set right here on this little platform. But we need everybody's help on this. We need everybody to help me count to 3. Alright? On 3. Everyone needs to say after that. Are you ready? On 3. Here we go. 1, 2, 3.
and Jamieleigh.
But I actually couldn't remember if it was 3 or 4 days.
Yeah, so today is day 4. We're going to our first location this morning. Everybody is going home today.
Except us.
Except us. So, anyways, we convinced everybody to get up early and come do this last flight morning We're going to our level 3 location, which is the backside of Castleton. And hopefully we're gonna have one last amazing day with Tango, because their day with Tango yesterday without us was not so great. So we wanna end on a good note for everybody, so we're gonna do this right. And we're gonna be here to help everyone, and then hopefully we get our own birds out for a while too, so they can enjoy it. Anything else?
I think we got to show them this view.
He wanted to go.
Hi, buddy. I like his tail.
I know.
Shakes his tail like a happy puppy.
Good boy, TUSA. Good boy.
So, some of your birds you catch like that, or is it just how you're feeling?
Good boy.
Yeah.
Good job. I got a happy Jinxie. Happy, content Jinxie.
Good job.
Hey.
Tango!
I did not like that.
My
So, they're saying to kind of run a little forward with him, like we would play fly with him on the patio.
Do you know the way you walk with him like this?
Yeah. Oh, that's right. That's comfortable, yeah.
Just be like,
Go forward.
Yeah.
Not just normal. Walk more. What is wrong with you? Good.
Well, that didn't work.
instead of this.
Okay. Oh my god. Okay, stop.
I'm good at making
Stop.
it smooth.
Okay.
All right, now look. What's his body language say?
A little bit more like
Says, what the hell am I on? Is it a human or is it a dinosaur? Okay. This concept is not usually this hard to relay.
Let me see if I can take Tango.
David, you just got fired. Okay, yeah, you guys can stand together and whoever he picks.
Tango. He's ferocious. He's ferocious.
Hey, Jinxie.
Okay, notice the body language.
Yep.
Thumb's coming up. Oh, thumb comes off.
Thanks to you.
Oh. All right.
Uh-oh.
The handling has been an issue. You can see he's habit. He's going.
Yeah.
Let's go. Hey, Tango!
Whoa.
I should have grabbed him. Tango! Woo, 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 woo. Tango!
It's okay. He's just working hard. Good.
Good job! Good job, Tango!
Look, Vicky's going with him. So direct them on where to be to land. Dave.
I was gonna say, Ashley, come stand here. Whoa! Oh, I wasn't filming.
You got a different one.
She touched my hair.
No, I missed it. So you should be more where I am, Ashlyn,
Over there?
because it's easier
Okay.
flight.
Oh, hey.
And it's higher, so it's more level. So like this flight he could do.
Okay.
Yeah, you see?
Okay, yep.
Do you feel how it's easier?
Yeah,
Okay.
I wouldn't have thought that looking
Put
here.
your hand up. And just...
Tango!
Tango.
Don't call too much.
Hi!
Good.
I was doing what you
It's probably not that big of a deal right
Yeah,
now.
I don't think it's a big deal.
Let's
make
just
sure that
ignore
the
it.
first call is as he's flying.
Yeah.
Okay. Ready, buddy? Here we go.
Go, Tango, go!
Oh, he was coming towards me. I'm like, I better get my hand out.
That was a little crap.
Love you so much. Just
Since
love
there's no
you
wind,
back
try different
forever.
directions.
I totally thought that was
That's
Capri, Jamie talking to Capri.
Oh my god. Thank you, babe.
Tango!
Good.
Good job.
And then a long hanging out reward. Good.
Likely to fly past you on this.
Okay.
Ooh, would make excellent footage.
Hey! Bobby! What's going on? Yeah!
Come on, Tango.
Tango!
No, there he
Oh,
goes.
there he goes. Tango, Tango, Tango! Oh!
Good.
Oh!
No.
I almost had him!
What happened?
I
Stay
couldn't.
where you are, because the
Stay.
winds are gonna help you.
Tango!
Oh, he's going back. Back to the tree. No, he's
No,
going.
Tango! Tango, Tango, Tango! Woo!
Come on, Tango! Aww. So I want you guys to fully understand why Ashlyn was so upset she didn't catch Tango just then, and it's because we're trying to establish that Ashlyn is the most dependable landing spot. So when she doesn't catch him and he tries to land on her, it's a really big setback for us in our training. Here, Dave's just trying to demonstrate how to properly walk with a bird. Many people with baby birds, they try to walk really gently and carefully to not put the bird off balance, and in turn, it just makes it so the bird never learns to properly balance. So we want to walk normally with our birds so they learn to grip properly and they just get used to that. Oh! Oh, I just got that on video. I'm just going to videotape Peggy. Okay, somebody start videotaping in slow-mo. I'm just gonna videotape Peggy. It's gonna be the
I
dive
got
bombing
punched in the face by a bird.
I'm just gonna hang out by you. This is where the footage is at. You just stayed just like that.
Oh my god.
Yes, I got it. There goes Sunshine. I see Jinxie. Oh, I think we lost TUSA.
I think you did. You want to do it?
We're so shy!
Oh, you did you? Really?
Yeah, I didn't see it.
Oh, he's
Sunshine! And Vicky! Where's Dixie?
He's here and TUSA's in the tree.
Woo!
All right. Good job filming.
I'm so
Woohoo!
Good job.
TUSA's over there.
TUSA, what happened? Boobs.
That.
Whoa, something just went down my shirt.
Ooh. Need help? Can I find it?
No, we're just gonna leave it there again.
He's over there further.
Are you ready? Boo-boo.
Aww.
Get our picture together.
do that. Oh, I do that.
It's video.
Super girl. Are you gonna do super girl?
We're letting Capri hang out with our new baby dove that we got from our friends on this drive to Salt Lake City. Yeah. We got the whole clan to change their flights and go home later, and we're all gonna go to Salt Flats in Utah, and we're so excited. This is a new location for everyone except for us and Claudia, so it's gonna be a blast.